Welcome dear student and Jai Swaminarayan. In the previous class, we were discuss about what do you mean by the light, two basic principles regarding a light, reflection and reflection. Dear student, in the previous class, we were discuss about what do you mean by the reflection. What are the different types of the reflection and what are the basic laws associated with the reflection. So dear student, in this class we will discuss about after the reflection or refraction how an image be formed, how an image can be obtained after the reflection of the light from any object or the refraction of the light from any object. What type of the image can be obtained after the reflection, and we study about a reflection through the plane mirror, right? So dear student, let's start about how an image of an object can be formed after the reflection. So how an image of object be formed after reflection as well as refraction. So dear student, we know that when the number of rays, right, entering onto the object, when the number of rays entering to the object, some of the rays are reflected back to the same medium, some of the rays are absorbed by the object, and some of the rays are transparent to the or pass through the medium or transmit to the medium. So dear student, image most probability obtained by reflection and the refraction. So when a number of rays starting from any point after reflection or refraction meet at the other point or appear to meet at that point, the image of the first point is formed at that point. So dear student, when the number of rays are reflecting from any object and they will meet at a one point, right, or appear to meet at that point, at that point the image of the previous point will be formed, right? So dear student, to obtain the image of an object, right, we require to meet a number of rays at a one point, and the point at which the number of rays meet or appear to meet, the image of the point is formed, right? Dear student, suppose we consider this point, right, and point like a object, right, and from this point like a object the number of rays are reflecting from the point like object. So consider the two rays which are reflecting from this point and they will meet at this point. So the image of the previous point is formed at this point. So because the number of rays reflecting from this object can appear at this point, so at this point the image of this point is obtained, right? Suppose we considering this point like object is a and after reflection of the rays are meet at this point a dash. So at the point a dash the image of point a is obtained. Or so dear student, clear that how an image of an object can be formed. To obtain the image of an object, we require two or more rays. When the two or more rays are meet at a point, the image of the object will be formed at that point, or it will appear to meet at a point, the image is appearing at that point. So now dear student, what type of the image can be obtained, right? There are two different types of the image obtained by the reflection, real image and the virtual image. So what do you mean by the real image and what do you mean by the virtual image, or what is the difference between the real image and the virtual image? So dear student, when the rays of the light actually meet at a point after reflection or refraction, right, the image formed at that point is called the real image. So when the rays of the light actually meet at a some point after reflection or refraction, the image formed at that point is a real image. And instead of this, when the rays of the light do not actually meet but appear to meet after the reflection or refraction, the image form is called the virtual image, right? क्या है रियल इमेज और वर्चुअल इमेज? व्हेन द लाइट रेज सच में कोई एक पॉइंट पर मिल रहे हैं तो उस जगह पे रियल इमेज क्रिएट होगा, और रेज ऑफ द लाइट कोई पॉइंट पे नहीं मिल रहे हैं बट इट विल अपीयर टू मीट एट अ वन पॉइंट, उस जगह पे वर्चुअल इमेज क्रिएट होगा. Real image can be obtained on the screen. We can obtain the real image on the screen, but virtual image cannot be obtained on the screen. So dear student, real image can be obtained on the screen. We can obtain the image on the screen like a wide screen or on the wall. The real image can be obtained on the wall like a projector. If we see the projector, we can obtain the real image of the slide. But the virtual image cannot be obtained on the screen. We cannot obtain the virtual image on the screen. Real image is always inverted, right, while the virtual image is always erect. So this is the difference between the real image and the virtual image. After the reflection or refraction, which type of the image we obtain depends on this, right? When the rays of the light is actually meet at a point, the real image is obtained at that point, but it do not actually meet but appear to meet, the virtual image can be obtained at that point. The real image can be obtained on the screen while the virtual image cannot be obtained on the screen. Real image is always inverted but the virtual image is always erect, right? So dear student, now see what is the difference between the real image and the virtual image with the help of the one picture, right? If you see a picture of this, right, and after reflecting the rays of the light, the rays of the light is actually meet at this point, and this image will be obtained called the real image. So real image is formed when the light rays meet at a particular point, right? Suppose we considering this type of the light rays are entering to the surface, and after reflection all the rays are meet at a one point. So this point, at this point the real image can be obtained. But if after reflection the rays of light cannot meet, like see these rays, right, these rays of the light do not meet at each other, right, but it will appear to meet at this point. If we extended this ray beyond, right, it will appear to meet at this point. So at this point the virtual image can be created. This real image can be obtained on the screen. We can see that real image, but the virtual image cannot obtain on the screen. We have a fictitious assumption to create the image at that point. So dear student, understand about what do you mean by the real image and what do you mean by the virtual image. Now we will see reflection through the plane mirror. How the image can be obtained through the plane mirror. First of all, dear student, what do you mean by the plane mirror? Have you ever seen the plane mirror? Yes, the mirror at our home is a plane mirror. The one surface of the mirror is a flat. So there are two types of the mirror, plane mirror and the spherical mirrors, right? So what do you mean by the plane mirror? The surface of the mirror is a plane, right? Flat. The mirror is called the plane mirror. So how the reflection of the light are through the plane mirror and how the image can be obtained through the plane mirror we will see, right? See the picture, right? If we stand besides of the plane mirror, our image we can obtain on the other side of the mirror, right? अगर हम मिरर के सामने खड़े रहते हैं तो मिरर के पीछे की साइड हमारी इमेज हम देख सकते हैं. सो कैसे इमेज बनती है, राइट? हाउ द इमेज कैन बी ऑब्टेन? सो इमेज कैन बी ऑब्टेन बाय द reflection of the light, right? So if we considering this type of the object is made up of the small point like a object. Consider this object is made up of the infinite point like a object, and at all the point the rays of the light is reflected from this object, and consider two or more rays, right, for the image. So consider the first ray of the light are entering to the mirror perpendicular to the mirror. So एक रे हम क्या लेंगे? This ray is perpendicular to the mirror. So the rays of the light emerging from the object, right, after reflection, consider the first ray. The ray of the light is incident on the surface of the mirror perpendicular to the mirror. In which direction the ray of the light is reflected? This ray of the light is reflected in the same direction, right? Like this way the ray of the light. So when the ray of the light is incident perpendicular to the mirror, the ray of the light, reflected ray, are moving in the back in the same direction or reflected in the same direction. So dear student, by the reflection of the one ray we cannot obtain the image. We require more than two rays. So another ray we consider the ray of the light which is incident at a mirror at the some angle of incident, right? We taking as a I, right? So dear student, after second ray we consider this, right? The ray of light is incident at an angle, some angle with the mirror. So in which direction the ray of the light is reflected? According to the law of reflection, the angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. So the ray of the light incident at a some angle is reflected at the same angle, right? So this blue color ray are a two reflected ray, right? So first ray we incident at the perpendicular to the mirror, reflected and reflected ray are in the same direction, right? Second ray we consider at a some angle to the mirror, the reflected ray are at the same angle, right? So consider these two ray cannot meet or do not meet at a one point, right? This ray is going in this direction and this ray is going in this direction. So if we see these two rays, right, they do not meet at a one point. So real image cannot be obtained by this plane mirror. But if we extend this ray in front in behind the mirror, right, it will meet at a one point, right, it will appear to meet at this point. So if we extended this ray beyond the mirror, right, or in front of mirror, right, it will appear at this point behind the mirror, right. So at this point the image of first point is obtained, right, at the image of this point like a object is obtained at this point. And similarly all the points, the rays of the light are reflected from the mirror and the image of object is obtained behind the mirror, right. So at all the point the rays of the light is incident, right, from the point like object, and these rays of the light are reflected from the mirror, right, we can obtain the image of an object. So dear student, I repeat whole the procedure how we can obtain the image through the plane mirror. તો કોઈ પણ ઓબ્જેક્ટ હોય એ આપણે મિરરની સામે રાખીએ તો આ જે ઓબ્જેક્ટ છે એ બધા બહુ ઇન્ફાઇનાઇટ નંબરના પોઈન્ટ લાઇક ઓબ્જેક્ટનો બનેલો છે અને દરેક પોઈન્ટમાંથી શું હશે, લાઇટના રેસ એમિટ થતા હોય છે. અને ઇમેજ મેળવવા માટે આપણે શું કરવું પડે, વી રિક્વાયર મોર દેન 2 રેસ. વી રિક્વાયર આપણે શું જોઈએ, બે કે બે કરતાં વધારે રેસ જોઈએ, લાઇટના રેસ જોઈએ, બરાબર. તો કન્સિડર ધીસ, રાઈટ, આપણે એક પોઈન્ટ લાઇક ઓબ્જેક્ટ આ લઈએ તો એમાંથી એક રે જે નીકળે છે એ મિરર સાથે કેટલો એંગલ બનાવે છે, 90 ડિગ્રીનો. સો એકોર્ડિંગ ટુ ધ લોઝ ઓફ ધ રિફ્લેક્શન, રિફ્લેક્શન के लोज क्या थे, एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट इज इक्वल टू एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. सो द रिफ्लेक्टेड रे जे छे ए रिफ्लेक्टेड रे कई डिरेक्शन में जશે, એની એ જ ડિરેક્શનમાં પાછું રિફ્લેક્ટ થશે, બરાબર. પણ એક રેથી, એક રેના રિફ્લેક્શનથી આપણને ઇમેજ મળે નહીં. તો આપણે શું જોઈએ, બીજું રે જોઈએ. સો બીજું રે આપણે જોઈશું કે એક બીજું રે જે છે એ થીટા જેટલા એંગલે આપણે ઇન્સિડન્ટ કરીએ છીએ મિરરને, કેટલા એ થોડાક એંગલે આપણે ઇન્સિડન્ટ કરીએ છીએ. તો લો ઓફ રિફ્લેક્શન શું કહે છે, જેટલા એંગલે રે ઓફ ધ લાઇટ ઇન્સિડન્ટ થશે એટલા જ એંગલે શું થશે, રિફ્લેક્શન થશે. તો આ રીતના તમારું શું મળશે, તમને રિફ્લેક્ટેડ રે મળશે. હવે તમે આ બંને રિફ્લેક્ટેડ રે તમે જુઓ તો એ બંને રિફ્લેક્ટેડ રે કોઈ જગ્યાએ ભેગા થતા નથી, એટલે કે આપણને રિયલ ઇમેજ મળશે નહીં. પણ એ બંને રેને તમે પાછળની બાજુએ લંબાવવામાં આવે તો એ બંને રે કોઈ એક પોઈન્ટ પર ભેગા થતા એવો શું થશે, તમને આભાસ થશે, એપિયર થશે, રાઈટ. સો આ જગ્યાએ જે બંને રેને આપણે પાછળ લંબાવીને જે જગ્યાએ ભેગા થાય છે એ જગ્યાએ આપણને શું મળશે, આ પહેલા પોઈન્ટની ઇમેજ અહીં આગળ તમને મળે છે. સો ડિયર સ્ટુડન્ટ, આ રીતના જેટલા બી પોઈન્ટ આ ઓબ્જેક્ટ પર છે, બરાબર, ઇન્ફાઇનાઇટ નંબર ઓફ પોઈન્ટ્સ, એ બધા પોઈન્ટ્સ માટે શું થશે, આ રીતના જ રિફ્લેક્શન થશે અને બધા પોઈન્ટની ઇમેજ અહીંયા બનશે. એટલે આખા જ ઓબ્જેક્ટની ઇમેજ તમને શું મળશે, મિરરની પાછળની બાજુએ મળે છે. કે જેવી રીતના આપણે અહીંયા એક પોઈન્ટ બતાવ્યો તો એ પોઈન્ટ પરથી શું હશે, ઘણા બધા રેઝ નીકળતા હશે, પણ એ બધા રેઝમાંથી આપણે ઇમેજ મેળવવા માટે બે જ રે લઈશું, બરાબર. અને એ બે રેના રિફ્લેક્શન કરીને એની ઇમેજ જોઈશું તો એ તમને અહીંયા આગળ મળે છે. એટલે આ રીતના આખા ઓબ્જેક્ટ જે છે, શું હોલ ઓબ્જેક્ટ, ધ ઇમેજ ઓફ ધ હોલ ઓબ્જેક્ટ વિલ બી અપિયર behind the mirror. So dear student, what type of the image can be formed by the plane mirror? The image formed by the plane mirror is the real or virtual? Of course it is a virtual image. Why? Because we get an image by extending the rays, right? It will appear to meet at this point. So the virtual image can be obtained by the plane mirror. What are the different characteristics of this image formed by the plane mirror? So there are some different characteristics of the image formed by the plane mirror. So dear student, you have to draw this type of the figure, right? Don't draw this type of the figure. You must have to draw this type of the figure. If we considering a object like this, right? ये ऑब्जेक्ट हम लेंगे, यहाँ से दो रेज निकालेंगे, एक इंसिडेंट रे है, आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्टिंग द रेज go in this direction, another ray if we considering this, and after extending this to reflected ray we get the image of an this object. એટલે ડિયર સ્ટુડન્ટ તમારે આ ફિગર ડ્રો કરવાની છે, બરાબર? કે આ મિરર છે, એની સામે આપણે શું મૂક્યો? એક ઓબ્જેક્ટ મૂક્યો, અને આ ઓબ્જેક્ટમાંથી બે રેઝ ઇન્સિડન્ટ થયા મિરર પર અને શું થયા? રિફ્લેક્ટ થયા. તો આ બંને રેઝ ક્યારેય એકબીજાને મળે નહીં, એટલે કે રિયલ ઇમેજ ક્યારેય પ્લેન મિરરથી તમને મળે નહીં. આફ્ટર એક્સટેન્ડિંગ ધીસ રે, બરાબર, એ બંને રેઝને તમે પાછળ લંબાવો તો એક જગ્યાએ ભેગા થતા હોય એવો શું થાય? આભાસ થાય. અને જે જગ્યાએ ભેગા થાય એ જગ્યાએ તમને આ ઓબ્જેક્ટની ઇમેજ બને છે, રાઈટ? સો વોટ આર ધ સમ કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક્સ ઓફ ધીસ image obtained by the plane mirror? You must have to know what are the different characteristics of image formed by the plane mirror. So first characteristics, which type of the image is obtained by the plane mirror? The image obtained by the plane mirror is a virtual and erect. Erect का मतलब क्या होगा? जैसे ऑब्जेक्ट है वैसी ही की वैसी ही इमेज क्रिएट होती है, राइट? જેવો ઓબ્જેક્ટ છે એવી જ ઇમેજ તમારી શું થાય? ક્રિએટ થાય છે. એનો મતલબ શું થયો? ઇરેક્ટ, રાઈટ? સેકન્ડ, the image obtained by the plane mirror is the same size as the object. The size of the image and the size of the object are same, right? So object की साइज एंड इमेज की साइज कितनी होगी? सेम होगी, राइट? थर्ड पॉइंट, the image is at the distance, same distance from the mirror as the object is in front of it. So mirror के सामने जितनी दूर ऑब्जेक्ट है उतनी दूर मिरर के पीछे इमेज क्रिएट होगी, राइट? यू विल एक्सपीरियंस दिस, राइट? आप मिरर के सामने खड़े हो जाओ, राइट? आपकी इमेज मिरर के पीछे आपको दिखाई देगी. अगर आप मिरर से दूर जाओगे तो आपकी इमेज भी क्या होगी? दूर जाएगी. अगर आप मिरर से नजदीक जाओगे तो आपकी इमेज भी क्या आएगी? नजदीक आएगी. सो दैट मीन्स द इमेज ऑब्टेन बाय द प्लेन मिरर is at the same distance from the mirror as the object. So object distance and the image distance are same. The image is a virtual. The image obtained by the plane mirror is a virtual and the erect. Why it is a virtual? I have already explained in previously, right? So the rays of the light do not actually meet, but it will appear to meet at a one point. So the image obtained by the plane mirror is a virtual and it cannot be obtained on the screen. Now last point is that the image obtained by the plane mirror is a laterally inverted, right? So dear student, what do you mean by laterally inverted? So उसके लिए आप एक एक्टिविटी करना, आप मिरर के सामने खड़े हो जाओ और अपना राइट हैंड अप करो, राइट? सो इमेज में कौन सा हैंड दिखाई देगा? लेफ्ट हैंड दिखाई देगा, राइट? और अपना लेफ्ट हैंड ऊपर करेंगे तो इमेज में कौन सा हैंड दिखाई देगा? राइट हैंड दिखाई. सो दैट मीन्स the sides are laterally inverted like this. If you see the letter P in front of mirror, right, it will laterally inverted. उसकी sides क्या हो जाएगी? invert हो जाएगी. So that means the laterally inverted. So dear student, understand about what type of the image formed by the plane mirror. The image formed by the plane mirror is virtual and erect. The image formed by the plane mirror is the same size as an object. The image formed by the plane mirror is at the same distance as the object, right? And the image formed by the plane mirror is laterally inverted. उसकी sides क्या हो जाएगी? Invert हो जाएगी. So understand about how the reflection of light through the plane mirror and how the image of an object can be obtained by plane mirror, right? So dear student, thank you very much for watching this video.